So today is 19th October 2022. Today I visited at one pet shop which is in Pune, and I saw a budgie lying inside the cage, and the pet shopkeeper, he said me the rat came inside the shop last night and he killed one budgie, and this another budgie who was also attacked by a rat, and that rat actually damaged his foot. And when I saw this little birdie, he was begging for help. He was suffering, and he's still suffering. You can see that condition. That's too bad. The any cat, rat, dogs, animal saliva is and rodent saliva is very dangerous. That carries pestilence and many other poisonous bacteria, which kills birds just in hours and seconds. But this bird has managed to survive so far. I can see even his belly is badly injured. Oh my baby! Oh my baby! See, this bird is a hand-tamed bird, and he has stopped eating, stopped drinking. Birds, when they fall sick, they stop eating and drinking. He is very much lethargy and very much exhausted and dehydrated. He is in pain. He is refusing to fly, get up. He just lying inside the cage. So I have decided to this do is give him some antibiotics and other medication for the recovery. And this bird is gonna receive full treatment from me, and it's gonna be yes 20 days course, and he'll be hospitalized in different grades. Like this is patient bird, hospital grade, and I've got food, medicine, everything ready. I'm gonna give him food and medicine first, but before that I'm gonna have to disinfect and clean the wound, and I'm gonna also do the dressing. There's no one to hold the phone, so I'll have to set it somewhere. So I saw that he was bleeding so much inside the cage, and uh, yes, I'll have to disinfect the wound now. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna be there with you in the hard times. Yes, I'm just helping you. It's burning. Yeah, it's burning. I know that. Just for helping you. I'm gonna have to change his dressing every day, and this bird is gonna receive food and medication daily, 3 to 4 times in a day from me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, baby. You'll be fine. You okay? You're okay. See that it's still bleeding. Bleeding hasn't stopped. I'd given him medication, but now when I've grabbed him, so it is again causing bleeding because he continuously keeps on moving the leg, and I'm gonna have to do the dressing right now immediately. Oh my god, this is oh baby. You're gonna be fine. I'm just restraining the bird. I'm just telling him, talking to him. You're gonna be fine. It helps in relaxing the bird. Yes. It helps in calming bird, relaxing. It helps in making him feel better. Putting some ointment to stop the bleeding. It will work instantly. Yeah, you see that? The bird has got the fractures. The rat bite is very very hard. They have sharp teeth, and the rat has broken the leg and from its ankle, and the female is fine. Oh my god, the ankle is completely badly broken. It's too bad. Yes, he hasn't eaten since morning. I'm just gonna have to pause because like this I cannot focus on feeding.